If you need to sell your home, hiring a realtor can help you avoid major pitfalls and in fact help you save money. There are numerous factors to consider when selling your home, and a professional can guide you to success. 1. Always search out a realtor who is full-time and who preferably has a team. Full-time experience is key to ensure they have enough knowledge and expertise to be your guide when selling your home. Having a team means they have systems and tools in place to ensure the sale process for you is smooth, and as a result, this will avoid any potential headaches along the way. A reputable realtor will most likely have a large database of qualified prospective buyers looking in your area. If they don't, they're probably not the right choice for you. Remember, sellers want buyers. If your realtor doesn't have access to them, don't hire them to represent you. Hire a realtor or a real estate team that has the marketing systems and guarantees that will get you the best results. The goal is not just to sell, but to sell both effectively and efficiently. Professional realtors will help you lay out a proper marketing plan to help sell your home fast and for top dollar. On top of that, they should have guarantees to ensure they'll get you the desired results, whether they can or cannot deliver. They always have your best interest in mind. If you're looking to sell in the next 3 to 6 months, call us 905-334-5883. We have you covered. Thanks for watching.